Welcome to the InstaShow Plus Igloohome Deadbolt tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be going through the steps of connecting your Igloohome Deadbolt in your InstaShow app. Before starting, be sure to install the deadbolt by carefully following the instructions in the lock packaging. Step 1. If you are offering self-tours, install the provided InstaShow Plus sticker on your front door. If you are only providing traditional tours, proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Download and install the InstaShow Plus app from your App Store to your mobile phone. Step 3. Open the InstaShow Plus app and complete both the registration and verification process. Step 4. Navigate to the settings in your main menu. Step 5. Select locks under the System section. Step 6. Tap the Add New Lock button. Step 7. Select Igloohome as the lock manufacturer. Then select Deadbolt as the lock type. Step 8. Locate the Igloohome device ID QR code located on the front of the lock. Step 9. Add a unique nickname for the lock so it's easily identified. Step 10. Scan the QR code. Step 11. Tap the Add Lock button. The new lock is now added to your inventory. You can click on the newly added lock to view the lock details. If you have multiple locks to add, click the Add Lock button again. Step 12. Let's now test your lock. Install the included batteries into your lock. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Bring your phone within 5 feet of the lock and tap the Open Lock button. Step 13. Follow the instructions provided on the screens to open the lock. Thank you for using InstaShow Plus. Showings made easy.